Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup with ScreenPal captures for UX tutorials, quick tutorial step-by-step clearly. Begin by launching the ScreenPal application on your device. Once the application is open, create a new recording by selecting the record option. Choose the screen area you want to capture for your UX tutorial. Ensure that you include any essential elements, such as navigation bars and interactive features. Next, adjust the recording settings to suit your tutorial needs. You can select the screen resolution and audio input as required. When you are ready, click the Start Recording button. As you record, narrate your actions clearly and concisely. Highlight key points and transitions in the UX process during your narration. After you have completed the recording, click the Stop button to end the capture. Review the recorded video for any necessary edits or adjustments. Use ScreenPal's editing features to trim or enhance your video as needed. Once satisfied with the final product, proceed to save the video file. Select the desired backup location on your device or cloud storage. Name the file appropriately to ensure easy retrieval later. Finally, confirm the save settings and initiate the backup process. Your UX tutorial is now successfully backed up using ScreenPal captures. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.